Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that I have with me right here. It is in the color Phantom Black. I've heard so many great things about this phone and I cannot wait to check it out for myself. This phone is actually a gift from my dad, and I know both my parents watch my videos religiously, so I know he's watching it. So daddy, this phone's for you. And I already got clearance to unbox his mystery phone. So here we go, let's unbox this phone and check it out. The packaging is so pretty. It is black and minimalistic. I love it. Totally my aesthetic.
Wow.
This is huge.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
And extremely beautiful. Do you guys see this? It's so pretty. Oh my god. I actually like the camera setup. It looks pretty good to me. I like it more than the camera module. Before we get into the phone, let's see what else is in the box. In the box, we have some paperwork. Again, in the same black color, which is super pretty. And also our charging cable, but no charging brick, as usual. It is Type-C to Type-C, so that's awesome. And on the back of it, there is a SIM ejection tool. Here is the phone. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really scared that I'll drop it, so I'm going to be very careful. And on the front also we have a plastic. Isn't it just gorgeous? And I underestimated just how big this is going to be. Look at this, next to my face. It's as big as my face, y'all. I'll put in a comparison picture with this and my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I'm using right now. Super big, and might just be perfect for my dad. I love the color, I love the finish, I love the minimalistic aesthetic. And I also love the camera module. There are two types of people who love these and hate these, but I get into the category that love these. I really like the individual camera bumps. Should be powered on. Do I dare? Yes, I do. And that was the unboxing. I have a ton of cases for this phone to protect it, so just in case I do drop it while filming the rest of this video, I have it safe and protected. UAD hooked me up with a ton of cases for this phone, and I'm going to show you guys and put one on so I can keep this boy safe. You guys are not ready for how many cases they hooked me up with. It's a box full of cases. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I genuinely love these cases. I have one on my iPhone 13 Pro Max right now, and I've dropped it so many times and it's still perfectly fine. So needless to say, I trust these cases and I'm a stan. I'm going to have Leah pick which case we should put on. I've just grabbed a few of them so I don't overwhelm her with choices. She chose the biodegradable case. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I will link a few more videos that you might like right here. Until next time, signing off, LightninGirl. Bye!